Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Oh, I'm saying I'll take a 2 minutes break and come back. Okay, class will like start in 2 minutes. Let everybody join. Okay, I'm back. Let's start now. Okay. So as I told you, this is a new topic that we are starting now, quantitative reasoning. Okay. Quantitative reasoning. And it appears in two part. Like earlier, ये topic हमेशा से important रहा है. ठीक है. From old papers also, I'll show you questions on quantitative reasoning. This have been the favorite topic of paper setters since forever. Okay, and there are 100% chances of having sets from here. Also, most of them find it very difficult because लोगों से LRDI अकेले और quant अकेले नहीं संभलती. This topic is a mixture of those two. है ना? It is quantitative reasoning. So therefore, people find it really tough. But it's all about approach. Most of the questions are hit and trial based. है ना? उस type के questions होते हैं. Hit and trial based. Then there can be questions which includes like hardcore quant topics, like maybe permutation combination, something like that. Utna tough nahi aata, but still, yeah, there can be some difficult questions on this also. And others can be very normal puzzle like questions also, like normal puzzles, but it will include some number parameter. Okay, a puzzle that includes a number parameter. So from this you also get Sudoku puzzles where you have to fill some numbers. Like you make a puzzle like this. Then suppose you have to give some ranks, 1 say 5, 1 say 5, something like that. Okay, and the rank cannot be repeated in columns or in rows. So they are called Sudoku puzzles. So all of that comes under this topic only. Okay. So now we will start with, we are having total 5 classes. I've kept total 5 classes on this because it is such a hard topic. Okay. So we'll start with this. For this we have 2 classes today, and in tomorrow's class we will do a bit advanced. Okay, we'll move towards a little advanced thing. That is from tomorrow onwards. Today 2 hours we have puzzle based quantitative reasoning. That's why I've named it quantitative puzzle. Okay. I'm uploading the first set now. There is no theory in this, so we are just going to see sets. Just give me 1 minute. Guys, those who are facing difficulty in the homework sets given yesterday, please wait for some days. Tomorrow or day after, I'll be doing them in the class. Not in this class, not in the workshop, but in the 1 p.m. class. Okay? So you will be notified whenever those sets are discussed. आपको message भेज दिया जाएगा. So don't worry. All right, I'm uploading the sets. Wait. Where is this? Wait. Okay, we'll start from a very more of a puzzle only, but it involves one number parameter. Let's see. Kalpana, you can reduce your this solving time by practice. While you practice, always keep a timer on and target, give a target to yourself. Okay, first question is on the board. Okay, I've started with a very very basic one. So you see here, it's kind of a matching puzzle only. There are 5 friends and you have to tell which TV shows they like. Okay, what is the number part here? You have to also distribute 10 chocolates between them. Only that is the number part. So we are entering into number based puzzle very slowly. Okay, this is the first question. We will also have some tough questions. Okay, let's do this. Try it quickly. I'll not give you much time. Only think for 5 minutes. You don't have to solve the entire set. Since anyways we are not doing the poll also, so let's not waste too much time. I'll give you 5 minutes. Just read the information and think कि क्या करना है. ठीक है? You don't have to solve it entirely. Just try it. What happened? सोचने में भी confused हो? Yeah, today I'll be announcing the code in this class itself to change my strategy. Don't tell people who will be attending the next class. And don't do this है ना, that अगर आज कोड दे दिया और फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में कम लोग हुए ना, बता रही हूँ मैं, फिर देखना. शीट नहीं आया है अभी तक, वो मेरे हाथ में ही. कोड चेंज कर दूंगी थर्ड आवर में. आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट. So you get the code to get the practice sheets. Those who attend all the classes, they get a code to get the practice sheets. ठीक है? Oh yeah, we can do this, no? Why didn't I get this idea before? I can keep 3 different codes, है ना? And give them in 3 classes. So everybody should send all the 3 codes to get the answer key. Oh, wow. Thank you guys help me. Tomorrow I'm going to do this. Oh, someone gave me an idea here only. यहीं पे किसी ने आइडिया दिया है. Thank you so much. ऐसे ही. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, today we'll try this. Today there will be 2 codes. Otherwise, no, I'll do one thing. So I'll give a code in this class, है ना? And if in the next class there are less, then you'll have to send the both, like send both the codes. अगर सब लोग वैसे ही आ गए तो फिर I'll not do this. ठीक है? Highest, I think 350. Sorry. What is this? bit.ly slash ws0. This is the link for those who have missed past classes. Also, when you go on this link, you will find the place to register. You know, then you can get the sheets. Those who don't know how to get the sheets, just 1 second, I'll tell you. Then don't start doing all the procedure right now. Do it after the class. You will have enough time to send the code. Yes, Ubaid, you can send, you can talk to my brother and I will send the material. See here, you see when you open this link that I have pinned, you will see here a workshop registration link. When you click on that, so you will know how to register. You register, first you register, then you save the number and send the code. Okay, you will receive the PDFs. I send the PDFs a bit late, you know, you get it around 11 or something because I have to make the PDF. So I finish the classes, do my dinner, and then I make the sheets. Okay. So give me some time and then we send it. Yeah, it's around midnight you get it. ठीक है. Yeah, I I know so many of you are complaining me. He doesn't listen, and I am very polite. Like if you tell me, oh, मेरा class miss हो गया, दे दो sheet में दे दूंगी, you know. But he's not like that. So I have kept him to do the duty. Yeah. Also, if you're liking the workshop, don't forget to dedicate a hat. है ना, जो इतने सारे मिनट्स वॉच करके वर्कशॉप के रिकॉर्ड करोगे, हैट आएंगे वो डेडिकेट करना. या ऑल राइट. Yeah, also write good comments, and I read all of that and get motivated. So I read each and every comment. All right, let's start now. Okay, so 5 friends, tell me quickly, 10 chocolates. How will the 10 chocolates be distributed among themselves? How will the 10 chocolate be distributed such that each of them received a distinct integral number of chocolate? What does that mean? As soon as you read that line, it should hit you that they are talking about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. एक ही तरीका है 10 chocolates को to distribute between 5 people by giving them different number of chocolates. This is the only way. ठीक है? So when you read that, as soon as you finish reading that, ये दिमाग में आ जाना चाहिए. That is how good you have to be. ठीक है? Each of them also likes to watch a TV show among Sports Center, Raw, WrestleMania, SmackDown, and Hits. So these two are wrestling show, and no two people like the same TV show. C who didn't receive any chocolate. ठीक है? Let's write it now. A, B, C, D, E. C didn't receive any chocolate. Does not like a wrestling show, which means C likes a sports show. Okay? If C does not like wrestling, it means C likes sports show. A received more chocolates than B. A received more chocolates than B. Whereas E did not receive the maximum. So E did not get 4. Total chocolates are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0 is gone. And E did not get 4. Okay? Next. Difference between the number of chocolates with A and C is equal to difference between the number of chocolates between D and B. B and C like TV shows starting with same alphabet. Which are the TV shows starting with same alphabet? Sports Center and SmackDown. Okay? Which of these will go for C? Sports Center. Why? Because C like a sports TV show. So Sports Center will go for C, and for B it will be SmackDown, which is a wrestling show. Okay, next. The person receiving the maximum number of chocolates like a sports show. Maximum chocolate will like a sports show. Mm. So we see here now we are going to use this formula. C is already 0. Okay. So what can A be? A cannot be 4. If A is 3, D can be 4 and B can be 1. That is one option. Anything else? Any other possibility? No, this is the only possibility, which means, and which one will be B out of this, 4 or 1? B have to be 1 because B is less than A. So then B is 1 chocolate, A is 3, D is 4 and E is 2. Done. Done. हो गया solve. ठीक है. The one receiving the maximum chocolate likes a sports show, which means it is D. And with sports show is left, there were only 2, so only hits is left. Put hits here. Okay, done. Now you can answer all the questions easily. The sum of chocolates with B and D is B plus D is 5. Yeah, this was easy. I told you, no. This was easy. हम एकदम basic से start किया है. But yeah, wait for tough questions. Who likes WrestleMania? Do we know who likes WrestleMania? No, it cannot be determined because it can be either A or E. If the person with 3 chocolates like Raw, so if this is Raw, in that case, how many chocolates does the person with WrestleMania have? 2 chocolates. And D likes hits. Done. Okay. All right. I'm uploading the next one. Give me 1 minute. Okay, we'll slowly increase the level. Two minus 0 and 3 minus 1. Rohan, if we take that, if we take 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 1, there will be one problem. E will get 4 chocolates. And there is a this thing clue that E cannot get the maximum chocolate. Got it? And that's why we have not taken that. 4 minus 2 we cannot take because 4 minus 2 should be equal to 2 minus 0. So 2 people cannot get 2 chocolates. Yes, Bhavya. Yes, Dhruv, it's a good time when you have joined. We are just starting the next question. Okay, those who have joined just now, you are lucky. We are just starting a new question. Join in from here. Okay, just read the information. This is the information, and below are the questions. Read the information. Think of the approach. There are 4 friends, and they are practicing lawn tennis from Monday to Saturday for different hours, and every day exactly 2 friends practices. Okay, so 4 friends on every day. If 2 friends are practicing, check karo kaise hoga. So this includes some quant logic. It's a puzzle only because you have to match which friend is playing on which day and for how many hours. It's a puzzle only. You have to do matching, but it is a number based puzzle. Okay, not exactly grouping. You can tell that you have to group them. Actually, on each day you have to pick 2 friends who are practicing on that day. Try it. Think how you are going to do it. What is this? What does this mean? What can be the two people who play together? Think of all that. I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes. Then we will start. लास्ट सेट में 4 3 और 1 0 हो सकता था, नहीं हो सकता था अभिषेक, बिकॉज A had to be greater than B. ठीक है, देयर वर सम मोर क्लूज. नो, यू हैव टू सेटिस्फाई ऑल द क्लूज. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि एक क्लू को इनवैलिड कर दो. ठीक है, देयरफॉर और कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं हो सकता था. जो हमने लिया वही कॉम्बिनेशन है. बाकी आर गेटिंग कैंसल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ अदर क्लूज. So keeping all clue in mind, that was the only combination. What is cumulative days? Where is it? Consecutive. You don't know what does consecutive means? Hmm? Consecutive means back to back. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are consecutive days, continuous days. And where is cumulative? Who have asked that? I don't see any cumulative. नहीं आज के हैट्स मैंने देखे नहीं है अभी नेहा आई सी इट आफ्टर द क्लास Sixth clue. The distinct values of number of hours for which different pairs practice a week contain two perfect squares. The distinct values of the number of hours for which different pairs practice on during a week contains two perfect squares. So if you add up the total practice hours on each day, out of the 6 days, for 2 days the numbers will be perfect squares. Yeah, odd perfect squares. Start कर ले? Should we start? Okay, most of them are saying yes, please. So क्या हुआ? Did you find it tough? No, it's not tough, okay? So we have to, let's see what should be our approach. So as soon as we read Four Friends, PQRS, practice lawn tennis from Monday to Saturday, what should we do? As soon as we read that, ठीक है, those who are still trying, keep doing it. मैं बस थोड़ा सा start कर रही हूँ. I'm not explaining, ठीक है? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, fix the days. Fix the days quickly. Friday and Saturday. ठीक है? Now, yeah, you can use tick and cross also. Can we use tick and cross here? Okay, apart from tick and cross, what can be the approach? Those who have figured out the approach, you can send your answers, no? Let's participate and, discuss it together. Tick and cross and hit and trial, okay. Name fixed करके, name fix करने से, no, name fix करने से better है fix the days. How can you fix the names? How will you use this clue? Tell me. This clue, Radhika practice on 3 consecutive days, है ना? And he does not practice on 2 consecutive days. So if the days are fixed, it will be easier for us to mark consecutively. ठीक है? Therefore, in a question where you have one of the parameters as date, day, year, है ना? Something which is already universally ordered, always keep that as a fixed clue. ठीक है? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is already a fixed order. We cannot put Wednesday between Saturday and Sunday as per our clues. We cannot do that, right? It's a already fixed order. Therefore, fix that. ठीक है? Okay, or some of them are saying, let's try this tick and cross method. Suppose I pick P, Q, R, S here. Okay. Now, Pawan doesn't practice on Monday. Cancel Pawan. Also, he does not practice on 2 consecutive days. Okay. Before that, see this. If 4 friends, they practice on Monday to Saturday every week, exactly 2 friends practices every day. And a different pair practices on each day. So what can be the pairs? What pairs can it be? Yes. So out of 4 people, we can make the pairs as PQ, PR, PS, charger.
फोन का
इसका
इसका नया वाला
PQ, PR, PS, QR, QS, and RS. ठीक है? 6 different pairs we will get. You can see it from permutation and combination also. To pick 2 people out of 4, how many ways are there? 4C2. Those who knows permutation and combination, 4C2, there are 6 ways of doing it. ठीक है? So PQ, PR, PS, QR, QS, and RS. These are the 6 different pairs. Fine. So ये भी हम साइड में लिख के रख लेते हैं. It will be better to match. Okay. Now I will start with the clues. Also that a different pair practices on each day of a week and no 2 pairs practices for equal number of hours. The number of hours for which any pair practices is a natural number less than 10. The number of hours for which any pair, है ना? So both the people included, they should practice for less than 10 hours every day. ठीक है. Pawan does not practice on Monday and he does not practice on 2 consecutive days. Consecutive cancel. Next. The number of hours for which Samir practices on any day is a multiple of 3. Okay, for S, any day the practice hours are multiple of 3. 3, 6, or 9. These are the 3 possibilities less than 10. Okay? Next. I think 9 is not possible क्योंकि less than 10 बोला है ना? Less than 10 यानी कि 10 नहीं हो सकता. It have to be 9 or less. ठीक है, और देखते हैं बॉक्स में.
डब्बा में
ठीक है गाइज, मेरा बैटरी लो है, पावर ऑफ होने वाला है. प्लीज वेट करना 2 मिनट. ठीक है, चार्जर लेने गए. चार्जर नीचे ऑफिस में. Because if can one person have 0 practice hours on a day? नहीं ना. We need the sum to be less than 10. We need the sum to be less than 10. So S के साथ कोई और भी तो practice कर रहा होगा ना. If S only have 9, what will that person have? Therefore I removed 9 only for S. ठीक है? Okay. Next. यार हर बार मैं wrong नहीं हो सकती. ठीक है, कभी कभी हो जाते हैं. A different pair practices on each day of a week and no 2 pairs practices for equal number of hours. This is done less than 10. ठीक है. Radhika practices on 3 consecutive days but not on Monday. ठीक है. So Radhika can be these 3 or these 3 or these 3. These are the options for Radhika. ठीक है. 3 consecutive days but not on Monday. Next is Samir doesn't practice on Wednesday and Saturday. Samir doesn't practice on Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday cancel for Samir and Saturday cancel. Next is the number of hours for which Qureshi practices on any day is an odd prime number. What are the odd prime numbers? What are the odd prime numbers less than 10? 3, 5, and 7. Okay, these are the odd prime numbers less than 10. So Qureshi's timing will be one out of these 3, 3, 5, or 7.
Oh shit. Pen से करना होगा.
1 minute. Okay. So, where are we? Samir doesn't practices on Wednesday and Saturday. The number of hours for which Qureshi practice is done. The distinct values of the number of hours for which different pairs practice during the week contains two odd perfect squares. What are the two odd perfect squares below 10? 1 and 9. Okay. So out of all these days, the sum of practice hours on any of the 2 days is going to be 1 and 9. These are the two odd squares below 10, है ना? Not 9 and 25 because we want below 10, guys. Don't tell 25. Below 10 चाहिए ना? The pair can play simultaneously, which allows Samir to play for 9 hours. Acha, is that the case? Where is it? Hint 6. Oh, I haven't gone to hint 6 till now. Let me at least go there. Okay. The number of hours this is done. Hint 6 is the distinct values of the number of hours for which different pairs practice during a week. Contain अच्छा ये तो हो गया. Why not 4? Because 4 is even perfect square. No, 4 is even. We need odd perfect squares. So we went for 1 and 9. Okay. Samir can have 9 then. Where is it given? I didn't find it still simultaneously. The number of hours for which any pair practices is a natural number less than 10. कहाँ दिया है? हाँ? Yeah, Samir is multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 is 3, 6. Okay, leave it, है ना? Let's put 9 also. बाद में देखते हैं, ठीक है? बाद में बताती हूँ. Let's do it further. Samir doesn't practice. The number of hours for which Samir practices on any day is multiple of 3. ठीक है. Next is the sum of the number of hours for which practice is done on Friday and Saturday is one more than the sum of Tuesday and Wednesday. Friday plus Saturday का sum is equal to one more than Tuesday and Wednesday. ठीक है? This is done. Now, that's it. We don't have more clues. So for how many hours in a week does Radhika practice? Let's see. A pair can't practice for 1 hour. Some can't be 1. But then what can we take? Yeah, 0.6 is for the week, no? The distinct values of number of hours for which different pairs practice during a week contain two odd perfect squares. So for which the pairs practice is contains two odd perfect squares. एक pair together practice करेगा तो one possible नहीं है with. Wait. Yes, every person will practice on 3 days. Okay. So which means for one of the days we will have to take 9 for Samir. Is that what you're telling? Data is given for pairs. Like if Samir practices for 3 hours, then 3 hours will also be practiced by his pair. Yeah, that can be the case, है ना? Because these people are practicing what? Lawn tennis. Lawn tennis is not a game for one people, right? Two persons have to play it. So two people are simultaneously playing, which means एक घंटे अगर खेला है तो वो दो लोगों ने मिल के 1 घंटे खेला है. Like दोनों लोग उस वक्त 1 घंटे तक खेल रहे थे. Like that. ठीक है? Now it's sorted. So then 3, 6, 9 is possible. 3, 5, 7 is possible, and 1 and 9 in the sum is also possible. It's not actually a sum, it is just the number of the hours that have been played on that day. Okay? Yeah, and no two pairs can practice for the same number of hours. Okay? So for Q and S, whenever we put Q and S together, we can take 3 hours for them. Wherever we put Q and S together, we can take 3 hours for them. Next, for other two values of S, we can take 6 and 9. Okay, we'll see it where we can put it. Now, is there anything else that we can derive here, or should we go to the questions? You are saying Monday we can put Q and S together. Why can't we put see R? Okay, R is not on Monday. We already know that R is not on Monday, which means Monday we have to put Q and S together, and we can put here 3 hours. The practice time is 3 hours. Okay. For S and Q, it have to be 3 hours. No, they are practicing together. Okay, next. What else can we figure out? Pawan on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Pawan on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yes, because Pawan cannot be on 2 consecutive days. Pawan did not practice on 2 consecutive days. So if he goes for this, then no here, here, not this, and here. Done. Okay? So Pawan will be on these 3 days. Fine. And if Radhika have to be on 3 consecutive days, Radhika cannot be here, here, here. Why? Otherwise, Radhika will be twice with Pawan. है ना? Radhika will be twice with Pawan. So to avoid that, where will Radhika be? Radhika will be here, here, and here. Such that only for one day Radhika is with Pawan. अच्छा ठीक है. So here there are 2 cross and 2 ticks. 2 ticks, which means other 2 cross. 1 tick till now, and 1 tick with Q and R pair is already formed. You know, Q and R pair is already formed. So this pair will be R and S. This is P and R. Okay, done. So now we have solved the entire thing. Q have to practice on one more day. Na? Where can Q be? One more day. R is done. Cross R, 3 days. S is left. So one more day S will be there. This is PS, which means this will be PQ. Done. Did you get it? See, so it was just about one small thing. And it was just about one small thing. We got confused about the sum part. Can you mention it? Just sum? No, but we thought since it is 2 people, we have to take the sum. So as soon as that part got clear, I think after that it took hardly 5 minutes. PS and QS. Okay. Now, who practiced for how many hours? Can we figure that out? Yes, we can use this. Friday plus Saturday is equal to Tuesday plus Wednesday plus 1. How can we use this? Please see. And wherever S is there, it will be 6 or 9, 9 or 6. Okay, wherever Q is there, it will be 5 or 7, 7 or 5. Which means the one that we need have to be for PR. Okay, the one that we need will be for PR. Now let's use this clue. So Friday can be what? Friday can be either 6 or 9. Saturday can be either 7 or 5. Tuesday can be either 9 or 6. Wednesday can be either 5 or 7. Let's see which one suits the equation. So if we take 9 plus 5, it's 14 plus 1, 15. And here we can take, no, here we cannot take 15. So how? 9 plus 7 is 16. And here also 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 1. 6 and 7 is 13. How? Friday, Saturday 9 and 5, that is 13. And Wednesday, Tuesday 6 and 7, that is also 13, no? Achha, this is 14. हाँ ठीक है, done. So Friday 9, Saturday 5, 14. ठीक है. And this side Tuesday 6, Wednesday 7, 13 plus 1, 14. Done. So Tuesday it is 6, Wednesday is 7, Friday is 9, and Saturday is 5. Done. ठीक है, we have finished the entire set. अभी क्या repeat करना है? अभी बोल रहे हो, please ask when you have doubt in between. क्या repeat करना है? Tell me, what is the doubt? ठीक है, let's quickly see one more set. I'm uploading the next set. हाँ, think like do this set till I think of the code. One कैसे? For 1 hour, 2 people were playing together. है ना? It's a game of 2 people. Suppose badminton, 1 person cannot play. So if they paired in pair, 1 घंटे के लिए 2 लोग खेल नहीं सकते हैं क्या? What is the problem? We can, no? ठीक है, that's why 1 is there in the list. Hours part repeat करना है. Hours part के लिए what we did is we had these 2 information, है ना? We used that. S and Q के लिए हमने साथ में 3 3 put कर दिया था. Now other 2 values of S we put it here जहाँ पे S है. So here we put 6 or 9. Here we put 6 or 9. Then जहाँ पे Q है we put 5 or 7. And then we checked using this clue. And this was the only combination that was fitting. ठीक है? Less than 10 for a day. In one day, it have to be less than 10. The number of hours for which any pair practices is a natural number less than 10. For which any pair practices on any day. ठीक है? नहीं, 2 लोग सेम कोर्ट पे खेल रहे हैं. ठीक है? These people they practices lawn tennis from Monday to Saturday. So what they did is they didn't explain that part. कि 2 लोग एक साथ खेल रहे हैं, वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया. दे एक्सपेक्टेड यू कि लॉन टेनिस देख के आपको खुद ही समझ जाना चाहिए कि 2 लोग साथ पे खेल रहे होंगे. साइमल्टेनियसली वर्ड मेंशन नहीं किया बिकॉज इट वाज फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, वो अंडरस्टैंड करने में हमने काफी टाइम लगा दिया, इसीलिए द सेट टुक सो मच टाइम टू सॉल्व. अदरवाइज इट वाज इजी आफ्टर लाइक दैट पार्ट बिकेम क्लियर. आफ्टर दैट इट वाज इजी, है ना? ओके, क्विकली नेक्स्ट सेट. दिस इज वेरी इजी. All of should be able to do it. All of you try it. 5 minutes is enough for this, like even for doing. Do it. Yeah, I'm sending the code. Code. This is the code of this class. ठीक है, next class if needed I'll be giving another code. What is the condition? Why will I give the another code in next class? If I see the number drops. ठीक है? S, that is S. Look at the class name. Series 301 or season, whatever it is called. S. Code abhi nahi bhejna, please. Code, send code after the last class. Like after around from 9 you can start sending. कोड कहाँ सेंड करना है उसके लिए आई टोल्ड यू नो, द लिंक इज पिन्ड. उस लिंक को क्लिक करोगे तब ये शीट खुलेगी. यहाँ पे वर्कशॉप रजिस्ट्रेशन करोगे तो जब रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा समझ में आ जाएगा, उसी नंबर पे कोड भेजना है. या दिस इज द फर्स्ट कोड. होपफुली मुझे सेकंड कोड भेजने की जरूरत ना पड़े, दैट इज द केस. ठीक है, अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो आई विल बी गिविंग अ सेकंड कोड. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन द क्लास फॉल्स डाउन बिलो, you know, abhi it is around 3, it was 314 when I gave the code, it have dropped to 307 already. And if it drops down below 270 or something in the next class, then I'll be giving another code and you will have to send both. अरे यार समझ में नहीं आता क्या यार, अभी तो बताया यार. कोड कहाँ डालना है? रजिस्टर करो पहले वर्कशॉप के लिए, देन यू विल बी एलिजिबल टू सेंड द कोड. So where will you get this link? Click on the link that is pinned. When you click on the link that is pinned, this sheet will open. Click on this link, then you will get the steps. क्या करना है? You have to click on one more link and then you will go to the WhatsApp directly. You have to send a message there and then you have to save the number and then send the code there only. You will get the sheets. हाँ, अभी लास्ट में पूछना आप जिसको भी डाउट है. Let's do the question. No, you have to only register once. You don't have to register every day. If you have already registered, you have to just send the code on that WhatsApp number जिस पे register किया है. This is S. How to write the spelling of S? नहीं शुभम, जिस नंबर से आपको व्हाट्सएप मैसेज आया था उसी पे कोड भेजना है, ग्रुप पे कोड नहीं भेजना. प्लीज गाइस, ग्रुप पे कोड मत भेज दिया करो क्लास से निकल के. ये क्या मतलब, वो आपने इतनी मेहनत करके क्लास कर रही है और आप कोड बांटते फिर रहे हो. लोग ऐसे ही मटेरियल ले जाएंगे. कंफ्यूज्ड वाले बच्चे तो खत्म ही नहीं होते हैं बाबा. Yes, Prem. Let's start. A group of college friends went to disco. The boys were ASYRSH and A, and the girls were this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boys, and how many girls? 5 girls. 7 boys and 5 girls. Not necessary, Harshita. कैसे भी भेज दो. It's okay. The entry charges of a couple, boy and a girl, are 500, and the entry charges for a single girl is free, whereas a stag, that is single boy, has to pay 400 for an entry. The group had 2 couples. People having boyfriend or girlfriend make entry together as couples. However, those not having boyfriend or a girlfriend can form a couple with any available person and gain entry. Aparna and Jyoti have boyfriends in the group. Okay, so let's put it like that. There are 4 girls, right? Aparna, acha 5 girls. Nishtu, Shisha, Tinu, and Jyoti. So Aparna and Jyoti have boyfriends, and they will be entering with them. Shisha formed a couple with either Amy or Anshu. Shisha formed a couple with either Amy or Anshu. Tinu made a couple entry with either Yashu or Sidhu. Tinu, Yashu or Sidhu. Raju has a girlfriend in the group. Nishtu formed a couple with either Raju or Emmy. So Nishtu don't have a boyfriend, right? If Raju have a girlfriend, it means Nishtu made an entry with who? Emmy. ठीक है, Nishtu made an entry with Emmy. And यहाँ से फिर Emmy हट जाएगी, which means entry with Anshu. ठीक है, that leaves us with two people. Who is that? Who can be the boyfriends? One is Raju. ठीक है, one out of these two have a boyfriend Raju, and other one we don't know. ठीक है, that's it. Nishtu part is Nishtu formed a couple with either Raju or Emmy. ठीक है, Nishtu ने couple बनाया with either Raju or Emmy. But in the previous clue they told us Raju already have a girlfriend and Nishtu does not have a girlfriend, है ना? Aparna और Jyoti have a girlfriend. Nishtu does not have a girlfriend. ठीक है? So therefore, if Raju has a girlfriend, Nishtu cannot form couple with Raju. Nishtu will form couple with Emmy. And Sisha, who could have formed couple with Emmy or Anshu, will now form a couple with Anshu because Nishtu have already done it with Emmy. ठीक है? Done. Now let's go to the questions. Nishtu made a couple entry with Emmy. If Swapi has a girlfriend, then who made a stag entry? So if Raju and Swapi, these are the two who have girlfriends, which means who will make single entries? So it can be one out of Yeshu and Sidhu. ठीक है, one out of Yeshu and Sidhu and Hemlu. So the answer is option 4. Definitely Hemlu and either Yeshu or Sidhu. Shisha made a couple entry with Anshu. If all the given restrictions are waived and the group wants to minimize overall expenditure, then how many couples, stags, and single girls should make entry? What should be the answer for this? Last one is very interesting. Mark your answer. I am starting the poll. Last question. Let's see how many of you get it correct. Where is it given? No single girl is allowed. In the last question, they have waived off all the restriction. All the restrictions have been waived off. Matlab, all the restrictions have been removed. Then, to minimize the group expenditure, okay, you have to minimize group's expenditure. How many couple, stag, and single entry should be there? Only 16% of the class have got it correct. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. So approximately 40 people. Okay, 40 people have got this correct only. Okay, let's see why others have got it wrong. Most of them have marked this. That's not correct. Why? Because if you form 5 couples, you will have to pay 5 into 500, which is 2500. And for other 2 stag entry, you will have to pay 2 into 400, that is 800. What is the total amount? 3300. Okay, but if everybody makes single entry, only the boys have to pay 400 each. Girls are all free. So what is the amount? 2800. Therefore, to minimize the amount, there will be 0 couple entry, 7 boys will enter stag, and 5 single girls. Got it? 4 is not correct because if you take 4 single girls, how can you have 2 couples? How can you have 4 single girls and 2 couples? Tell me if there are only 5 girls. सिर्फ calculate कर लिया. D is 2600. Oh, that is the answer. Okay, bye. See you in the next class. Join the next class. I think this time you can take a 5 minutes break. I'll start the class at 8:05. Okay? Yeah, I'll put the link 1 second. Shisha ko Anshu kaise? Shruti, because Shisha had 2 options, Amy and Anshu. Once Nishtu was fixed with Amy, Shisha will enter with Anshu now. That's the only available option. Okay? 400 is if if a stag boy, if only one single boy is making an entry, then the charges are 400. And if a boy and girl enter together, the charges are 500. And a girl is anyways free. Okay? But a girl cannot enter single. Like if there are more boys and less girls, they have to enter in couples. That's the condition. But in the last question, they have waived off that condition. They have removed that condition. Okay? All right. Now, those who are planning to go for plus, don't forget to use my code to get the subscription. It's Riya Agarwal. So you'll get 10% off and guidance for your CAT preparation. No, don't send the code now. Send the code after 9, after the last class. All right, see you in 5 minutes. I'll share the link 1 second. Class link, no? Oof. Okay, if anybody can, please send. अभी कोड मत भेजो यार, अभी 3rd क्लास होने दो. Anybody is sending the link? Jaldi kar do, even I'll take a break. Got it. 302 है ना? Okay, click on this and join the next class. See you there. Bye.